This is the October 25th, 2011 Math SAT question of the day. In the xy plane, the graph of the equation above assumes its maximum value at x equals 2. What is the value of b? So, y equals minus 2x squared plus bx plus 5. So, what is the value of b when x equals 2? So this is basically a parabola, and the minus sign out in front means it's an upside down parabola. And for some value, x equals 2, you have a maximum value, so let's draw it like this. So this is x equals 2. And the question is, what's b? So one thing we could do is we could try each of these equations to see if the roots, these intersections right here, what we know is they'll be the same distance. So here, this is the distance from x equals 2. These distances will be the same if that point there is truly the max. So if that's a max when x equals 2, then the two roots will be at the same distance from x equals 2. We could also solve this problem using calculus, but let's just try these solutions here first. So A, if b equals minus 8, y equals minus 2x squared plus bx plus 5. Sorry, that equals minus 8x plus 5. So to factor that, you get minus 2x plus something times x plus something. So if I said this was 5 and 1, I think I would get, I think I get this right? 2x and x squared minus 2x squared plus 1x minus 10x is minus 8x plus 5. Okay, so notice that 2x plus 1 equals 0 means there's a root at x equals minus 1/2, and x plus 5 equals 0 implies that there's a root at x equals minus 5. Oh, sorry, minus 2 plus 1/2. So this means that the roots are, the maximum is going to be midway between 1/2 and minus 5. So minus 8 doesn't look like the solution. Now that I'm thinking about it, let's look at the quadratic equation. It says that if y equals minus 2x squared plus bx plus 5, it says that the roots are x equals minus b all over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, where b is b in this equation, and minus 2 is A, and 5 is C. So if x equals 2, so let's write this here. If x equals 2 is the maximum, and part of what I said is that this right here is minus 2, or is 2. Because then the roots are plus or minus this over 2a on either side. So what we want to do is say minus b all over 2a equals 2. A is minus 2, so minus b, this implies that minus b equals 2 times 2a, which equals 2 times 2 times minus 2. There's a minus sign out in front, so there's another minus, so minus b equals that. That means that b equals minus 2 times 2 times minus 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, and plus signs mean that the answer is D8. And just for fun, let's plot it so that we can verify our answer. So, go to math mode here. Y equals minus 2x squared plus 8x 8x plus 5 it looks like this curve has a maximum at 2. So, right answer is checked, is D, 8.